Good morning, BROCHIKAS. It is Monday, February 22nd. And as you can see, I just did some no makeup. I'm about to do a lot of filming. I have 3 different hauls to film. And I'm doing my hair right now. I blow dried it, so obviously it looks all like frizzy and fuzzy, but I'm going to do, just got hair in my mouth. I'm gonna do some beachy waves using this Duvolle curling wand, which I do have a link and a coupon code if you're interested in the description box. It is so cute how pink it is, and I've just been obsessed with using this for curling because it's so quick, and I really like that effortless like summer beachy wave that it gives. But I had this idea, okay? So you know how like lately I've been seeing on TikTok that like dark black hair with blonde random chunks of highlights is like a thing again, like that trashy look, that Y2K trashy, like Christina Aguilera from Dirty kind of vibes going on right now, and I'm here for it. Or like Gemma from Sons of Anarchy. I'm here for it, but I am done with bleaching my hair, girl. I'm not bleaching my hair. I'm not messing up my hair again. So guess what I have? I have these 2 leftover blonde strands from Irresistible Me, because I have something on my lip. What is that? I've worked with Irresistible Me a couple of times. This is not sponsored by them. This is literally from when I had my hair purple and I dyed my hair extensions purple to match my hair then. Obviously I can't use them now because my hair is black and I don't really feel like going and trying to dye it. So I had 2 pieces left over that I never used, and I was like, I should just trim these down to the length of my hair and like put them, you know, underneath obviously, and have that like vibe. Like, let's just do it. It's fun. Like, why not, right? So I don't really know how to go about this because I feel like I'm probably gonna clip it like underneath the hair. Obviously, I'm probably gonna clip it at this level. And so I feel like I need to, okay, so I need to cut off a few inches here. I'm honestly just gonna wing it because like, yeah, we're just gonna like wing it. So sorry if the angle is bad over here, you guys, but we want to cut off, I would say about this much. So I feel like I should do point cutting so it doesn't look so crazy. I mean, it's not like I'm using these strands of hair anyways, so it's like not making me nervous to cut it because it's been sitting in a drawer for no reason. Okay. So let's see if the length is good. I didn't tease the root or anything, so this is obviously just to see. I feel like when it's curled, it's gonna look cool, right? Like, I don't know, it could be cool. Like, is it too long though? No, I think it's fine. I think it's fine. You guys, I can't believe I've never thought of this before. Like, why damage my hair when I could just do this? I mean, because honestly, I'm really loving my new black hair. I really do. New old kind of, because I've always had black hair, but I'm honestly really loving my black hair. I get antsy and I just always want a change, and I don't know what that is about, but that's just how I am. Okay, so my plan is to part it down the middle, and then obviously need to have like a good chunk so that the extension can be hidden. I'm gonna clip it over here. And then you need to like tease the root so it has something to sit on. And now I'm going to clip that on. So basically I'm just gonna put these in place and then curl my whole head. You don't wanna have it too close to the front. This blonde hair is so soft. I also do have a coupon code with Irresistible Me. It'll be down in the description box for you. Again, this is not sponsored. They didn't ask me to do this video. I just thought I should let you know I've got a coupon code. So now that we have everything curled, we have to like blend it because you can like kind of see that there's like a track in there. So for the beachy wave vibe, I always like to just brush it out with my fingers and just make it look a little more like tousled and messy and like a natural vibe. I'm having some green come through on my hair again. I don't know why my hair wants to keep turning green, but yeah, so here's it more like on the natural side, and this is like very curled. Just wanted to show you guys the difference. Yeah, look at that green that's coming through. That's so frustrating. See, you can kind of see the track back there, so we have to make sure we cover that. I might tease it a little bit at the crown. See that track back there? You can see that. So I might tease it a little bit so that doesn't come through. All right, y'all, so here it is in the sunlight. What do you think about it? Don't mind my little green pieces. That's just from me messing up my hair. I think it's not as noticeable unless you're like really staring at it, but I don't know. I think this is kind of fun. If you want to like be a part of a trend, but you don't want to ruin your hair. I just had these lying around, so it was a little bit easier for me to do. If you don't have hair extensions like in the blonde laying around, you could definitely order some. But if you don't want to, I totally understand. So yeah, I don't know. I think it's a great way to be a part of trends, but then not commit to it. Again, not damage your hair. And I think it's pretty fire. Like, I definitely am digging it, and I've been seeing this look on social media a lot, and it's such a throwback. And I don't know, like it's like definitely that trashy vibe, but like I kinda am here for it. Like I kinda love it. I love the contrast of the black and the blonde. And if you have blonde hair and you want to try this, you could get black extensions. So just wanted to say that for my like lighter hair girls. Yeah, if you have blonde, just get black ones and do the reverse. That would be more Christina Aguilera from the Dirty music video, wouldn't it? But yeah, I don't know. I think it's kind of cool, kind of like it, kind of fun, kind of like Y2K rock star, pop star type vibe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments about this little hack that I just figured out, but I'm feeling it. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Just something fun, something different. It was a short video, but I just feel like it was random and like really authentic because it was just like out of the blue. I was like, let's do this real quick. So something new and different for the channel. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.